So we have taken example of great nation. Here in great nation, there is no subject and no verb. Okay. The second thing is that we are not able to understand the exact meaning. It is just a group of word, but this group of word, that is a great nation, is not giving us the complete sense. What about the great nation? What does it mean? We are not able to get a complete meaning of the same. Okay, so such a group of word, we called it as a phrase. Okay, where there is no subject and verb. Okay, where there is no subject and verb, then it is just a group of verb. It's just a group of word, and it is also not giving the complete sense. We are not able to understand what the group of word means. What they want to say about great nation, is the great nation is doing well, or is the great nation is not doing well, and the things are not clear. Okay, now the next thing here, if we change the sentence like we are a great nation, we are a great nation, here I put we are, here I put we are in front of a great nation. Now the sentence is we are a great nation. Now this sentence is again having a subject and verb. Yes, in the earlier part, when I asked you about only this part, when I asked you about only this part, I asked you whether there is a subject or verb. No, there is no subject and verb in a great nation, right? But when we add we are, when we add this we are to this group of word, it became we are a great nation. Now, subject is we, then verb is are, right? Subject and verb both are present here. Then again, it is a group of word only. Okay, but this group of word is giving us a complete sense. Okay, this word, this group of word is not giving us incomplete sense. This group of word is giving us a complete sense, right? Okay, so here a phrase. The phrase means what? A group of word where there is no subject and verb. No subject and verb combination that we saw with our example, which I am going to show you here, a great Indian. Okay, this is a phrase. This is a means it is a, there is no subject and verb combination. Okay, the group of word where there is no subject and verb combination, it's called as phrase. Okay, now again we'll go on the next slide. Okay, so here what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of word, no subject and verb combination is there, and again, wait a minute, wait a minute. Phrase. So dear students, phrase, what are the points we have to keep in our mind while identifying phrase? That is, wait a minute. It should be a group of word. Then the second thing is no subject and verb combination. And the third is no meaning if used alone. For phrase, there is no meaning. For example, I told you in the slide, a great nation. Now, a great nation is not giving us any sense, any meaning if it is used alone. But when we are going to add something with that, then it will start giving you the exact meaning, what it want to say, right? So you are going to identify the phrase on this basis, that it is just a group of words, there is no subject and verb combination, and no meaning if it is used alone. That's all about the phrase. Okay, now we are going to see the next slide, where we are going to learn about here few examples of phrases. Now you all can see here a great nation. This was the example we just saw, a great nation. Then the second thing, in a developed India. In a developed India, what? It is doing good or it is doing bad or it is going to be a developed India. What? The exact meaning is not specified by this group of words, right? The third is on the table. Okay, there is no subject verb combination in these three examples. There is no subject verb combination here in these three examples. So we can say that these are phrases. Clear, everyone? Yes? How you are going to identify the phrases? Now, we are going to see about the clause. Now, what is a clause? Now, again, the clause is group of word because it's a sentence. It's a group of word. But how? Which type of sentence is this? Where the subject and word combination is there. Sorry. And verb combination. Okay, subject and verb both should be there in that group of word. Now the complete meaning by itself. The clause is giving complete meaning by itself. That's a clause. Now in clause again we can see two types. Okay, in clause there are two types, that is dependent clause and independent clause. Now what is the difference between independent clause and dependent clause? Like dependent clause is giving us the incomplete sentence. Okay, here you can see the subject and verb, both the things. Here you can see subject and verb, both the things, but then too here the question arises. For example, I give you sentence here, when he came back. When he came back, then what? Or when he came back, then what happened? That not mentioned in the not mentioned in that sentence or not mentioned in that group of words. Okay, so we can say that this sentence is heavy. This sentence is a clause. There is a subject and verb combination, but still there arises a question that what happened when he came back. Okay, then independent clause. In independent clause there is a complete sentence, like I was in the kitchen. Where were you? I was in the kitchen. Okay, so this is independent clause where it gives us a complete sentence. Okay, yes, here I told you about the dependent clause and independent clause. I told you the dependent clause where the subject and verb combination is there, but still you means you are going to have a question over there. And independent clause, the complete sentence is described, and you should not have any question because you can understand each and everything by that sentence. That's a complete sentence. Okay, now we can say, when we are going to say this sentence together, when he came back, I was in the kitchen. When he came back, I was in the kitchen. Then that can be a complete sentence. When he came back, I was in the kitchen. That time, what happened after he came back? I was in the kitchen. Or you can say that when he came back, the guest arrived. When he came back, when he came back, can anybody make this a complete sentence by adding a sentence with that? Please do it in the chat. Do it as per